Hello Aditi, I think I found you at the right moment. Looks like you were cleaning. I wanted to check how you dispose of items if they have not moved even after your best effort.
Hi Jay. Yes, I am throwing out the expired items. I sent the slow-moving items to chef to use. He did indent for some items, but he could not use much. If you have not seen that video on how to handle slow-moving items yet, go check out the link on top. And in this video, I will tell you how we dispose of the expired stock.
But before you start, let me ask the viewer, have you subscribed to this channel yet? These videos are produced by clarifiedbetter.com, and on the website and on this channel, you will find videos that can help you if you work in hotels. So go ahead and click the red subscribe button and the bell icon.
So Jay, you asked me about how to dispose of the materials from store after expiry. Discarding items is a huge loss because it is being thrown away. So we must make all attempt to avoid that. But if it is necessary, then it must be signed off by the department head that it cannot be used anymore. Then I will go to the financial controller and to the general manager to take their approval and sign off before discarding the items. After they sign off, I then can throw it out.
Okay, so even throwing off something is a process as it is a big waste of money. I learned something new today and so can you. You just have to visit the channel or clarifiedbetter.com every day to learn something new. By the way, on the website we also have many certificate courses for people working in hotels. They are in-depth courses for all departments. Do remember to visit clarifiedbetter.com to check it out.
And in the description box below, we have links to all the videos as a playlist for you to learn from the departments you are interested in. Keep learning. See you in the next video.